नमस्कार, मैं मृदुला शर्मा स्वागत करती हूँ आपका IMS टुडे में। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस्टर अंशुल सक्सेना सर, जो कि सीनियर डायरेक्टर हैं लाइफ साइंस सेक्टर स्किल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल के। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
धन्यवाद।
तो सर से मेरा पहला सवाल ये है कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट में क्या रोल है?
देखिए, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इज़ फ्यूचर. If you talk about industrial development today, 90% of the things that we use and utilize is all biotechnology. You use mobile phone, it is a sensor where you unlock. It's a fingerprint sensor, which is actually biotechnology. If you talk about you take the water from the RO water which has been used, and there's a circulation and the filtration system is all biotechnology. Today we talk about pollutions, we talk about fertilizers impacting soil, impacting the air quality. The only solution provided is through biotechnology. So anything that is related to the life, anything that is related to biology, and which can solve the problems of our real life problem can be provided by biotechnology. So every industrial output you talk about, whether it's a dairy industry, FMCG industry, you talk about pharmaceutical industry, vaccines, COVID-19 we have gone through, it's all biotechnology, bioagriculture. We talk about, nowadays we are talking about taking, lithium from the salt water, from the sea water. It can be only available through biotechnology. We talk about seaweeds converting to the fertilizers. It's all biotechnology.
थैंक यू सर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे ये है कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को, बायोसाइंसेस के स्टूडेंट को बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में क्या करियर एस्पेक्ट्स हैं आगे, मतलब उनको क्या स्कोप है?
I think that's what I discussed in the morning to students, and there is a bright future for everyone who takes up microbiology or biotechnology, because in future biotechnology is be making the life successful. Whether they go to an organization which can manufacture or research on pharmaceuticals or the vaccines, or they take up Ayush medicines, or they go to an organization which is in dairy products, or if they go to FMCG organization, or they go to the food processing organization, everywhere the use of biotechnology is immense. In addition to that, the entire agriculture, India is an agriculture defined nation. Today, entire agriculture is based on biotechnology, and the future of agriculture is all about biotechnology. The agri-biotech is going to be future. We are talking about simple, landscaping in those big malls. You talk about residential areas. We are talking about vertical farming. So it's all possible because of the biotechnology. The crops which can sustain the pollution and the I would say global warming effect are being modified through genetic engineering, and that's through the biotechnology. So certainly all these people who are going through this, they have a vast career opportunities available, starting from the agriculture, going to the industry. The only thing that I would say that they should not limit their thought stuck only to research and development. If they start working on simple things, I think that's where they can get a better focus on. There is a huge opportunity available in manufacturing segments. There is an opportunity available in supply chains. There are opportunities available in quality control labs. There are opportunities available even for entrepreneurship. I would just narrate one part. Around 5-6 years back, I was just thinking about some of the things which we see in and around the spitting. The pan, gutka, tobacco spitting, polluting the environment, and in COVID it was very hazardous. I believe not much of us know that there is a Pune-based startup organization starting by some of small, town students who have set up and engineered a product in the form of a spitting pouch which you can use for spitting, throw it, and the microbiological layer inside will take care of all the contamination, and it will be completely biodegradable. So think of it, there are many problems in our life which are being solved through biotechnology, and we are seeing in practice in India now.
So there are many opportunities in biotechnology. So next question आपसे यही होगा कि आपको IMS गाजियाबाद में आके कैसा लग रहा है और यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स आपको कैसे लग रहे हैं?
Look, I'm glad, first of all, glad and thankful that I'm part of an institution which has a thought leadership. Because what is happening, we have seen that academic and the industrial skills or real life skills which are leading students for the well-meaning jobs and employment livelihood is diminishing. And I think IMS Ghaziabad has actually come up with a thought leadership where they are integrating skills and the vocational qualifications in embedded system of their own qualifications, own programs. And I think this can give a lot of opportunities for a student, because any student who will pass out from IMS will not have only their graduation or post-graduation degree, but also will have skills, and rightfully, respectfully, they will also be earning an additional qualification. So in turn, IMS Ghaziabad is actually able to provide students the dual qualifications, which is probably a amazing thing and great thing in itself. I'm glad. The student in the interaction which I interacted in the morning, and I believe the students who are going through the final, I could interact with some of them, are real good. I see a bright future for them. They are curious to learn, they have eagerness, and I believe only thing that will lead them is act and learn. That's it. Good luck.
थैंक यू सर, और आज सर से बात करके बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. इसी के साथ मैं मृदुला शर्मा, कैमरामैन अतुल के साथ IMS टुडे.